today to give back tomorrow.
Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I'm gonna show you a very simple way to decorate your house for this Valentine's Day. And all of these projects I made it with materials that you can find at the dollar store. So they are super inexpensive, super easy, and they turned out super cute. So I really hope you like this video. If you want to check out these projects, just keep watching the video. First project will be this beautiful flower arrangement, and to make it we will need a round glass container, floral foam, artificial flowers, and artificial heart-shaped stones. The first thing we will do is cut the flowers, leaving about 2 inches on it so we can stick it in the foam. Then we take our artificial stones and place them in the container. I used 2 packages and these are plastic heart-shaped stones. Then we place the floral foam on top of the container and begin to insert the flowers all around it. In this case, I decided to mix red and white flowers of different styles to give it some texture. Once everything is covered, our floral arrangement is ready. This idea is super easy and it looks absolutely beautiful, and you can also use it as a centerpiece for your table or events and give it the touches and colors you prefer. For the next project, we will make some heart banners, and for these we will need felt hearts. This package comes with 8 pieces of 3 different colors, decorative ribbon or rope, and optional decorative stickers or letter stickers. In this case, the hearts I found have little holes all around, but if you don't find the same ones, you can pierce them or use thread and needle. We take our decorative ribbon or rope and we insert it by the top of the heart as shown, and we do the same with each one, alternating the colors. As an option, you can decorate them with stickers or letters to form words like love or Valentine, or you can leave them plain as I did. Once they're ready, I decided to add these little arrows on either end to decorate them, and this is the final result. These banners can be used to decorate windows, walls, fireplaces, events, or whatever your imagination desires.
I want your love, don't wanna borrow. I did today to give back tomorrow.
Finally, we will make this cute decoration for the door, and to make it we will need 3 decorated styrofoam hearts and tulle of different colors. In this case, I have 2 different shades of hearts, so I will put the pink one in the middle of the 2 reds. What I will do first is cut the ribbon from the top of 2 of the hearts, leaving the ribbon of one of them so we can hang it at the end. Afterwards, we will glue the hearts together with hot glue as shown, making sure to put a lot of hot glue in the front and in the back to secure them well until we have something like this. Finally, we make a bow with our tulle, and I decided to combine 3 different colors and 3 different sizes to give it some texture. We glue it to the top of the first heart, and our heart door decor is ready. This idea looks super cute for either an outside door or even inside, and I'm sure you're gonna love the result. And with these simple steps and affordable materials, you can give a super cute touch to your home or any space for this season of love.
Tomorrow.
How easily you can decorate your house or any space for this Valentine's Day. You can give a little touch here and there to make it super special this year. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos that are coming to this channel on this new year. I'm very excited about it. So as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!